Have you ever envisioned making money with minimal effort just by downloading apps? Well, today marks the date when your aspirations morph into actuality. Whether you're a student seeking extra income, a part-time worker aiming to boost earnings, or simply someone who revels in exploring the vast realm of applications, this video is tailor-made for you. Picture this, tapping into the opportunity to pocket an average of $70 for each app you download. That's right, $70. The more apps you add, the more you rake in. It's as straightforward as that. Don't let the opportunity slip by to leverage your smartphone for financial gain.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Now, the initial steps you'll need to take involve navigating to either the Google Play Store or, if you're using an iPhone, the Apple App Store. Both platforms host the same array of apps, but for illustration purposes, I'll be focusing on the Google Play Store in this instance. I'll walk you through the process of locating apps that facilitate effortless money-making on your smartphone. So let's kick things off with our first app, Uprock AI. This recently launched application boasts an impressive 4.9-star rating and has already garnered over 100,000 downloads, a commendable start by any measure. I foresee this app hitting the 1 million download mark in no time. To begin, simply download and install the app, and I'll provide you with a guided tour of its features. As stated on their website, Uprock AI aims to make AI work for you. Share your internet, earn passive income. It operates as the inaugural people-powered AI data network, delivering real-time, impartial insights for content creators, brands, and enterprises. Rest assured, this app is entirely safe to use. It presents an innovative concept where you install the app and effortlessly commence earning. The process is straightforward, with the website offering a detailed step-by-step installation guide, ensuring utmost user-friendliness. Once installed, you'll earn each time the app is active on your phone. While it may not be the highest-paying option available, it certainly serves as a lucrative avenue to jumpstart your earning journey. Now, let's delve into the intriguing realm of a pioneering application known as GoodDollar, aptly named for its mission to distribute universal basic income, UBI, in the form of cryptocurrencies. This groundbreaking app caters not only to those facing financial hardships, but also to individuals seeking an additional income source. The distinguishing feature of GoodDollar lies in its ability to unite the cryptocurrency community while extending a helping hand through free earnings. Upon visiting their website, you'll encounter a compelling message: free money as a public good, unlocking human potential with digital universal basic income. The platform boasts an impressive track record, with 640,000 individuals onboarded, facilitating $6 million in transactions, and an impressive money multiplier of 13 times. Intriguing, isn't it? To explore the potential benefits and possibly partake in this digital universal basic income initiative, you can easily sign up and join this transformative endeavor. Despite its current download count of 100,000, GoodDollar has already amassed an impressive 4.3-star rating out of 5, indicating its user-friendly interface and positive reception. The prospect of widespread adoption appears promising, given its unique approach to financial inclusivity. As more individuals discover the advantages of GoodDollar, its user base is poised to skyrocket into the millions. So seize the opportunity. Embark on a journey into the world of GoodDollar, where universal basic income intersects with the digital realm. This concludes our exploration of the second app on this captivating voyage toward effortless and ethical earnings. Keep watching as I'll unveil the highest-paying app towards the conclusion of this video.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's venture into the fascinating domain of our third featured application, Traf Monetizer. This app introduces a distinct facet to the realm of online earning by leveraging your internet connection. Upon exploring their website, we encounter a captivating slogan: share your internet connection and earn money online. The premise echoes that of our initial app, albeit with the allure of higher payouts. At the heart of Traf Monetizer lies a fundamental question: why would we pay for your traffic? The answer lies in the substantial demand from numerous marketing and advertising agencies, eagerly seeking customer visits, website traffic, and additional internet bandwidth. This innovative approach taps into the vast potential of the approximately 92% of unused bandwidth that most individuals possess. Users have the opportunity to earn an average of $29 for each connected device, presenting an enticing proposition. With a user base of 350,000 individuals and an admirable 4.1-star rating, Traf Monetizer has garnered considerable popularity, boasting an impressive 1 million downloads. The surge in downloads underscores its efficacy and appeal to users, solidifying its position as a valuable addition to your suite of internet sharing applications. In the dynamic landscape of passive income opportunities, diversity plays a crucial role. Therefore, incorporating multiple internet sharing apps on your device, including Traf Monetizer, enables you to harness collective potential and optimize your earnings simultaneously. Moving on to our fourth suggestion, Cash Raven, we embark on another journey into the realm of generating passive income through sharing your internet connection. The rationale behind acquiring a variety of these apps becomes evident. Each may offer distinct advantages, and having a diverse selection enhances your potential earnings. Like its counterparts, Cash Raven underscores the importance of safety controls during installation, ensuring a secure and dependable user experience. Upon examining their earning structure, it becomes clear that the more devices you have in operation, the greater your potential income. This app features a user-friendly interface that facilitates monitoring and controlling shared data, fostering a safe and efficient earning environment. According to their data, sharing 33 gigabytes per day could potentially yield around $100 per device. The flexibility of this model extends to inviting friends and family, perhaps your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, creating a network of shared devices that collectively contribute to your earnings. In essence, this succinct yet comprehensive video acts as a time-saving guide, presenting you with a curated selection of apps that can transform your downtime into a profitable endeavor. The strategic incorporation of these internet sharing apps not only maximizes your earnings, but also streamlines the process, sparing you the tedious task of independently scouring for opportunities. Now, let's delve into the final app in our lineup, the one I've been eagerly anticipating introducing. Allow me to introduce you to make money, play, and earn cash, operating under the name Mode Mobile, with the motto, turning the smartphone into the earn phone. This app boasts an impressive track record, having disbursed over $150 million to users and amassed over 2 million 5-star reviews on the Google Play Store. Notably, it has secured $40 million in investments from across the globe. What sets this app apart is its versatility in earning opportunities. Users can potentially earn up to $1,200 annually simply by listening to music, playing games, and more. Cash-out options are flexible, ranging from bank transfers and PayPal to cryptocurrency and popular gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Getting started is a breeze. Simply download the app and join the platform. With its legitimacy and user-friendly interface, Play and Earn Cash emerges as a favorite among the showcased apps. It represents a premier choice for those seeking a hassle-free and dependable means to augment their income effortlessly. In summary, this app makes the process of turning your smartphone into a valuable source of earnings both seamless and lucrative.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.